Hi friends, welcome to World Explorer India. 9 October 2020 is celebrated as World Post Day and 10th October 2020 is celebrated as National Post Day in India. World Post Day is celebrated on the occasion of anniversary of establishment of Universal Postal Union. This year hashtags are #WPD, #WPD 2020, #MoreThanMail, World Post Day, #Communications. We know that post is the oldest mode of communication. Even in olden days, pigeons were used to send the post. Universal Postal Union website is www.upu.int. It has 192 member countries. UPU sets rules for the international mail exchanges and also maintain the quality of services. And it is a part of United Nations and it is a United Nations specialized agency. The primary forum for postal sectors, primary forum for international cooperation, and headquarters is present at Bern, Switzerland. It is established in 1874 and it is the second oldest international organization worldwide. Abraham Lincoln is the 16th president of USA. He is the only president to serve as a postmaster. He has served for 3 years from May 7, 1833 to 1866. And he worked as a postmaster in the area of New Salem, Illinois, and his salary was $55 in 1835. Philately is stamp collection. It is a hobby, so it's even a stress relieving. Many of the persons collect the stamps which they like. They collect the stamps and arrange them according to the themes. Services provided by the post offices are post, stamp, money order, parcel service and postal insurance. Mail services: postcard, acknowledgement card, inland letter card, envelope, parcel post, book post, registered post, speed post, value payable post, business post and corporate money order. Here you can see acknowledgement card. Acknowledgement card means whenever we are sending a post, we should know whether that post is delivered to the recipient or not. So this acknowledgement card is returned back to the person who is sending the post. So this should be post along with the postcard. And next thing is book post. With that we can send the books. And next thing is value payable post. Value payable post means if any shop want to sell their goods, they can send their goods through the post and the money will be collected from the recipient of the good and will be returned back to the sender. So that is called as value payable by post. And next is corporate money order. Here business companies they can send money even up to the maximum amount of 1 crore rupees. What happens after you post? Once you post it, they will be collected from the post box by the postman and it will be sent to the post office. They will verify the stamp, seal with the date, sort as per the destination. They will pack and they will send this by road, rail or air, and they will receive and sort and deliver with the stamp. What if wrong address is there? They will try to find the right address and they will try to deliver it. In case if they are unable to find, they will return the letter to the letter office. And better to write sender address and contact too, so that it will be easy for the postman to deliver your letter to the right person. If stamp is less, the charges will be taken from the addressee. PIN code. So what is PIN code? Now in India we are using 6-digit PIN code, which is started in August 15, 1972, and we have 9 PIN regions in India, 8 geographical regions and 1 is Army Postal Service. So first 1 to 8 is the geographical regions and 9 is the Army Postal Service. And first digit indicates the region and first 2 digits indicate the sub-region or postal circle. And nowadays e-payments and international speed post network also there. So India is a part of UPU. So to celebrate World Post Day, this video has been prepared. If you like this, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.